Today, we have a series of major developments that make one thing impossible to ignore. Spotify Camp Nou is rapidly transforming from a construction site into a truly finished stadium. The upper-tier exterior is finally beginning to close in. Massive mechanical systems are arriving on-site in industrial scale. And across multiple sections, the project is entering phases that feel far more complete, far more operational, and far more real than ever before. Let's break down every update. Moving up to the third tier now, where the 80,000 capacity target for next season remains the major objective. The marking and creation of steps across the third-tier terraces continues progressing very well. Crews are methodically working across the terrace surfaces, defining the seating step zones with the precision that a project of this scale demands. At the same time, other crews are applying protective coatings across the terrace surfaces. Both phases are happening simultaneously across the same areas. Two operations working in parallel toward the same final goal. A few days ago, we reported on the delivery of sandwich panels to the second overhang level. And today, we can confirm with excitement that those panels have officially started being installed. They are now going up at the second overhang level of the upper tier at Spotify Camp Nou. For the first time in this renovation, the exterior sandwich panel installation has moved beyond the lower sections and reached the upper areas of the stadium. And the transformation about to unfold in the upper tiers could become one of the most visually striking developments of the entire project. Think about what this means for the overall exterior image of the stadium. For many months, the visual story of the sandwich panel installation was simple. The lower tiers were gradually being covered, while the upper tiers remained exposed and unfinished. That contrast, finished below, unfinished above, became one of the clearest reminders that major work was still ongoing. But now, with panels finally being installed at the second overhang level, that contrast is beginning to disappear. The upper tier exterior is coming alive. It is finally receiving its architectural identity. And the gap between the completed lower sections and unfinished upper structure is closing in the most dramatic way imaginable. Every panel installed at the second overhang level changes the silhouette of the new Camp Nou. Every panel makes the stadium look more complete, more unified, and more breathtaking from every angle. The latest news surrounding the Diamond Store is that the club wants it ready by Easter week next year. A specific calendar target like that says a lot. It shows how seriously the club is pushing to complete a space that will transform the commercial and fan experience around Spotify Camp Nou. Everything happening at the Diamond Store right now is moving with that deadline in mind. With the glass panels already installed and the door frames now in place, crews have moved decisively into the interior areas. Interior work is fully underway. Fitting, finishing, and detailed adjustments needed to transform a structurally complete shell into a polished commercial destination are now progressing actively. At the same time, crews are continuing work on the Diamond Store windows, ensuring every installation meets the required standards before the building transitions from construction to operation. And it's important to appreciate the significance of that Easter week target because it reveals something major about the pace of development happening at ground level throughout the stadium complex. The biggest update today comes once again from the compression ring near the south corner, where another new flange was installed since yesterday's visit. The structure in this area keeps expanding piece by piece, and workers were visible directly on top of the newly connected sections, securing the steel elements together with bolts and connection plates. From this angle, the progress is becoming much easier to appreciate because the radial beams are slowly being connected one after another. The corner section is starting to look more complete every single day, and it now appears that 4 smaller flanges will eventually connect the radial beams in this sector. Several lifting platforms were also active behind the structure while crews continued working on the rear steel connections. The pace here remains extremely impressive, especially considering how much activity is happening simultaneously around the upper ring. Meanwhile, crews have now closed the enclosures for the second VIP ring. This second VIP ring, separate from the sideline VIP areas, has been advancing independently and represents a major expansion of the enclosed premium infrastructure around the stadium. Completing those enclosures sends a powerful message about the urgency behind the VIP development right now. But now, with the second VIP ring also being enclosed, it's clear that VIP development is spreading across the stadium. The financial importance of these VIP boxes cannot be overstated. As discussed in previous updates, the VIP zones are a central part of the club's long-term revenue strategy for the new Camp Nou. And finally, one of the most revealing developments currently visible on site. Large ventilation systems, exhaust equipment, and service tanks have now arrived and are waiting to be installed. These are not small components. These are massive industrial-scale systems, the mechanical backbone of a 100,000-seat world-class sporting and entertainment venue. These systems will move air through the stadium, manage exhaust, and handle the utilities required to keep a building of this magnitude functioning during every event. The sheer physical size of these systems, their scale, weight, and engineering sophistication is a powerful reminder that much of the new Camp Nou exists beyond what people can actually see. Every pipe, every duct, every tank, and every ventilation unit is part of an invisible but essential infrastructure layer. It may not be visible from the stands or featured in social media photos, but without it, the stadium simply cannot function. Without these systems, 100,000 people cannot safely and comfortably occupy the building at the same time. The arrival of this equipment is one of the clearest indicators yet that Camp Nou is approaching the point where it becomes a fully operational venue rather than just a construction project. Mechanical systems only arrive when the spaces prepared to receive them are ready. And the fact that these ventilation systems, exhaust units, and service tanks are already on site tells us those spaces are prepared. The mechanical heart of the new Camp Nou is about to start beating. And the full scale of what has been built here, visible and invisible, structural and operational, architectural and mechanical, is even more extraordinary than most people fully realize. Enclosures. Each revelation is adding another layer to the same incredible story. Sandwich panels finally reaching the second overhang level and beginning the transformation of the upper-tier exterior. The Diamond Store interiors moving at full speed with Easter week established as the target opening date. The third-tier terraces continuing preparation work with the 80,000 capacity goal driving progress. The second VIP ring now enclosed, showing that VIP development is expanding beyond the sidelines. And the arrival of industrial-scale mechanical systems revealing the hidden complexity and operational ambition behind this extraordinary stadium. The new Camp Nou is no longer becoming something. It already is something. Something breathtaking, something historic, something the entire world will feel the moment its doors finally open. And we are already here, watching every step of it happen. Visca Barça, Visca Catalunya. Until next time.